Hey everyone, ever felt like you are the perpetual chaser in friendships or relationships? The one initiating plans or trying to keep the connections alive? It can get exhausting, right? We have all been there. But what if, for once, the tables turned and people started chasing you? Sounds intriguing, isn't it? The question often arises, how much effort should you really put in to make others interested? It might seem trivial or even silly to ponder these thoughts, but deep down, who doesn't like feeling wanted? However, here is the kicker. Without self-love, self-validation, and contentment within ourselves, no amount of external appreciation or attention can truly fulfill that void. It's all about the balance. Now, let's dive into the 4 game-changing strategies that might just make anyone chase after you. Number 1. Embrace mystery. Ever wondered why mysterious people are so captivating? Think about characters like Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan, silent, detached, yet magnetically appealing. Mystery sparks fascination. Humans are wired to explore the unknown, a trait rooted in our early survival instincts. So, to be that enigmatic force, try adding a dash of mystery to your life. Cut down on social media, focus on your hobbies, and practice the art of listening more than speaking. Shift that spotlight from you to the other person. Number 2. Enhance your appearance. Let's be real. Looks do matter. Research consistently shows that good-looking folks are often perceived as having positive traits and intelligence. Remember Daniel Park from Webtoon Lookism? His transformation highlighted how attractiveness can change perceptions. Confidence in your appearance goes a long way. Consider a new hairstyle, upgrade your wardrobe, take care of your hygiene, and embrace activities that boost your self-esteem. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Number 3. Stay active and engaged. Aside from the allure of mystery, a packed schedule filled with enjoyable and productive activities is a winner. It's not about playing hard to get, but rather about leading a fulfilling life. Hiking, hitting the gym, or simply engaging in social events, being active opens doors to new connections and enriches your social circle. Number 4. Authenticity reigns supreme. In the pursuit of being chased, don't lose sight of yourself. Authenticity is key. Sure, there are qualities you admire in others, but the magic happens when you integrate those qualities into your life organically. Don't pretend to be someone you are not. Focus on self-reflection, develop positive habits, and embrace self-affirmations. Remember, we are all evolving, and someone out there will appreciate you for being genuine. So, what's your experience with chasing after someone? Share your story in the comments below. And if you know someone who would love these tips, share the video with them. Remember, the journey to being chased is not about others pursuing you. It's also about embracing yourself fully. Until next time, take care.